In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 6, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flare2 developer. When it's ready, open it. DevCheck device and system info. Now you can check all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!